Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life.
That is just the old-fashioned breakfast.
Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom.
Morning. They also have decaf coffee. Yay. Ooh. The weather looks nicer.
She told us already.
We're going to the cheese farm.
What? What?
Talking to the camera. Oh. Ah.
Maybe it was really there. Ah, you see one bus come.
But what's the number of the bus?
It's 315.
15. Ah, 5. Ah! My God! It's so green.
If you want to put on your coats, your white coats, and your this coming back here. Yeah, everybody's coming. You can have all your things here. There's also everything how to make cheese.
Real cheese maker.
Ready? Yep.
It's so windy. It's so cold.
Told you about the start of the company and the company pulling in front of it where we can demonstrate. And the lamp goes until all yours? No, it's very easy to replace a few times to get ready for the field.
Mein Onkel hatte einen Bauernhof. Oh, you can touch them. Babies. Ah.
It's fermented.
It has some smell.
And then it's with the bacteria who are in the air, it's fermented by. Lekker.
Yes, yes. We're back. It's really nice. Now we're going back to the city and we're gonna visit some cheese store there. We're back to city. Thought about it. Welcome.
This one.
Just one of the biggest ones.
The entrance was so cute.
Okay, yeah, this is really small entrance.
There, when they are here, they go to the.
Ah, they have special stuff. Berlin.
Cheese and more.
This company.
From this company, yes. Oh, okay.
That would be good by us, but
Yes.
for our actually.
Oh, they have tulip. Tulip bag. Tulip. It's cute. Sunny. It's crazy weather. It's sunny and then rain, sunny, rain. Amsterdam cheese.
Like, yeah.
Yay! The last one. Ooh.
The first two phases.
I think if you have questions during the tasting, just ask immediately and I will answer them as quickly as I can.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say if it's yes or no. I want to hear everybody's opinion first. I don't know anything that doesn't really pan honey mustard. Can we use honey mustard and but Jon, he went on holiday to Italy. This one doesn't really pair with any dip. It's a really nice flavor on its own. It didn't work out that made the cheese turn grey. And grey cheese, you can't sell how good a seller you are.
For the color.
Yeah.
For the color?
No.
Spinach.
No.
No?
No.
No.
Spinach.
Ne?
Spinach.
Spinach.
If I say that's stupid. No, spinach. We use spinach. Really nice flavor. So that is. That is for a specific reason. Try is a smoked goat. First piece just plain. Second piece the balsamic dip. So that will be the darkest dip on your table.
It's really creamy.
So interesting.
Yeah. That is just because, and it goes with our cheese, but all cheese from different companies. and then we can't guarantee that that one isn't vegetarian. All our cheeses are vegetarian, that goes in there, but some cheeses might not be. It might be that a farmer's cheese goes in there as well, and that is made with unpasteurized raw milk with animal added. So that's why we can't guarantee the vegetarian mark on this specific one.
And about raw milk?
Drinks. For the wine drinks, have port wine as well if you want to.
Port wine.
This is the first time I've heard that.
What wine?
I never tried it. It's really nice. I'm a fan of the darker beers myself.
Safe trip back, do what you want if you want to have to walk in the city or you want something else. You have fun still, you can do what you want. One evening more.
Thank you so much. We can find a coffee shop. Yeah, we're done. Tasty. We're full now. Too full. This is the Netherlands store.
Really small.
Really small. That's crumbles. Our wine bar. This is really small. This is so cute. They also have lock.
Hey.
Okay, let's go. Es war viel?
Nein, aber es war gut. Ich habe sehr gut geschlafen.
Ich auch.
Oh shit. Go it.
It's beautiful.
Could be 3 times. Bam, bam, bam.
It's 5 only? Find the coffee shop. Where's the coffee shop? Ah, we're going here. Oh yeah, I like it than yesterday. More than the green one. Okay. We're going to eat with chopsticks.
Thank you. Is there
This restaurant actually recommended.
right? So good.
So good. It was a nice place. Good morning. I'm going back to Berlin today. Our flight is like 9 a.m. in the morning, so I woke up really early and I'm packing now and then I need to leave now. See? The food from last night I didn't eat yet. I want to eat it now or maybe later. I was trying to find a Starbucks, but it seems like there's nothing around here. obviously if you want to go somewhere, then you have to take the moving walk and then walk a lot. So maybe I'll just get a coffee from there. But the sky is so beautiful.
Decaf.
Thank you very much. Have a great one. Can I actually put more ice, if it's possible? Thank you. Yay! This is proper iced Americano. And the size is good. Nice! Rainbow. I just ordered a lot. Spring rolls and sweet potato fries. What is this? She said put in the bowl. And it's truffle beef bowl. And mango maracuya. Yay! It's really good. Spring roll and it's really nice.